everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today, surprise surprise, we have another thrift haul. So I went thrifting today in Buisness, which is a different area, and I wasn't as successful as I normally am. I think I still got loads, so if you'd like to see what I got, which I did get some bargains, so don't let that fool you. I did get some great stuff. I just normally get amazing stuff, but if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm not going to do it in any particular order. I'm just going to pull stuff out. I also got stuff again for my recreating Pinterest / Instagram influencers outfits. I got some bits for that again today, but again I'm going to do that in a whole separate video. Right. I think that lighting's a bit better. The lighting went a bit funky there, but I'm going to start off with this. This was from Mind. It was £4, and let me show you. So it's basically this wrap, sort of a mid-axi length skirt. It's white with sort of little square, little pattern on it. It's a wrap skirt, so it's nice and easy to throw on. The only thing is it's a size 12 and it fits, but it's quite snug. You'll see on the try on clip, but that's super easy. With a wrap skirt, all you need to do is move the button like an inch over, and then you've got a little bit of extra room. I think it's super fun. I can wear it with like a little crop top, a little bodysuit. Super fun and flowy for summer. So then here is the skirt. I'm going to stand quite far back so you can see it. So as I say, I will have to change the positioning on the button just for like an inch, just so I can breathe a little bit more. But I actually really like this. It comes down to sort of a maxi-ish length, which I actually think is quite flattering. And also, I think because there's a split there, you can kind of force it. So it's obviously wrapped around, but I quite like kind of the split. I think it gives you a bit more shape, and you kind of, if I move that around slightly so it's more on the split, I think that looks super cute. It's nice and airy and flowy, so it's great for summer, but it's sort of one of them summer days where you don't want to be in like booty shorts and you want to have a bit more coverage but still feel like you're dressed up a little bit. I really like this one, and for the price, insane. I then picked up in Cancer Research. This was £2. It's a size 12. And it's just this little jumper. It's actually originally from Primark, and it's just a nice stretchy little vest top. I don't know, not vest top. Not vest top. A little jumper top. I like these. They're super easy. I have them in like every colour. They're easy to throw on. And I bought this with some nice high-waisted jeans. Would look super cute. So that was £2 from Cancer Research. I need to pair this with a white bra, but I actually think this is super fun and cute. It's something a bit different. It's still a nice and easy thing to pair with things, but I like it. It's a bit different. It's a bit fun. Super easy one, this one. It was £2. Super nice basic. I like this one. I then picked up this, which probably is a nightie, but I'm going to wear it as a nice slip, like satin, nice dress. So this is gorgeous blue colour. It's not adjustable straps. This is £3 from Cancer Research. It's a size 14, and it's originally from BHS, and it's just this sort of mid-axi length blue satin dress. I'm going to style it up in the try on clip and see if I can style it. Obviously at the moment you can't try on in charity shops, and this is the main issue I'm having. I'm loving them, don't get me wrong, but I'm coming home and a lot of the stuff isn't fitting. Now you can go back and exchange or return things, but I just feel a bit guilty about returning things in the charity shop, because the money's going to charity and I want to take money away from cancer. So yes, if it doesn't fit any of this stuff, what I'm doing is I'm just putting it up on my Depop. Here is the satin slip dress. I do really like it. I'm thinking I don't really style stuff like this normally, so I've got to work out how you style it. But I've currently just put on a belt with it, and I think that does just kind of give me a bit more shape. I'll show you it without a belt as well, because it is slightly looser sort of on my waist, but it is a bit tight around my chest, which story of my life. But I actually quite like it, just styled like this and not actually got anything on it. I also think you could just pie it like a nice leather jacket on it, and I think you could style this up quite cute, and it was £3, so I think this is super good. The only thing I do wish is it had adjustable straps, because I feel like if it was down here more, it might be slightly more flattering. But I do actually think this was actually a nightie rather than a dress, so I think that's probably why. But I just love the colour, and to be fair, if I don't wear this as a dress, I will probably end up making it into Disney ears, but I do think it highlights the sort of the curve a little bit. And I love that, so we love it. So also from Cancer Research, which was £3, it's from Next, it's a size 14, Annoyingly, this is really, really tight on my legs. Now I'm about a size 14 on my bottom half. So it's basically this jumpsuit. So it's sort of got this elasticated band, an elasticated waist, and it just goes into these flowy trousers. But this is unfortunately just very, very tight around my legs. And the material isn't actually stretchy. They've got a lot of elastic parts in it, which makes you think it's going to be really stretchy. But it's actually a bit tight on the legs. So again, this might be one that I have to put up to sell. But it's only £3, and this will go to someone that I'm sure really wants it. But yes, annoyed about that, because I'm still going to put it on the trial clip so I can show you what I mean. I don't know if I could lose a bit of weight in my legs, but my legs normally stay quite big no matter what size I am. So now I've tried it on again. I couldn't actually see it before. I could just feel how it feels. I actually think it looks fine. It does look tighter around the bottom. Like, it does look quite tight on the thighs, but not terrible. Like, I think I can definitely get away with it. And for work, it doesn't matter if it's a bit tight on the bottom. If I'm having a day where I'm just doing nails and waxing, I like that I have my arms free. Obviously, I probably would just still wear a bra like I'm doing now. If I'm just wearing a black bra, I think that's fine to have the strap showing. They're kind of like a part of the top, which obviously is just strapless. But I think this is a super great basic for work, and for £3. Also, I'm eating a bit healthier, trying to get healthy, not necessarily to lose weight, but just for my organs. So I actually think that if I lose a tiny bit of weight, maybe around my thighs, then this could definitely work. So I actually think, although I was a bit dubious at the start, I think this might be a winner. And for £3 or whatever it was, super cheap, because I've just got the muscle in legs. So another thing I picked up, again from Cancer Research, again for £3, was this size 12. It's inside out because I just tried it on. Am I a proper influencer if I do that? Probably not. But, so it's from ISawItFirst. Again, it was £3. It's new with tags, so which is great because whenever I see new with tags, I know if it doesn't fit me, I can sell it for quite a bit more than, you know, £3. And it's this gorgeous little tea dress. So I said you have to wear a modesty panel with it because it's very low. And unfortunately, it's probably a tiniest bit too short for me, which again, you'll see on the trial clip. It's got these gorgeous fluted sleeves. I'm thinking a Minnie Mouse bound in Disneyland. I've got a pin. I'll try and put it up on the screen. And someone is wearing like such an exact dress to this in Disney. And I'm just like, Disney goals, like, I love it. So here is the red dress. I'm going to hold it here because if I don't, my whole bra's on the show. So this is definitely one I have to wear a little crop top underneath, which is absolutely fine. Now, when I tried this on downstairs, I thought, I don't know if I necessarily love it. I couldn't see it properly. But actually, trying it on, I think I need to just embrace that I have a bit of a stomach now. We're going to rock it. We're not going to let it define what we're wearing. And I've wanted something shorter for ages. I always wear super long outfits, and I'm always a bit insecure about my legs. But this one is quite short, but I think if I wear some little shorts underneath it anyway, I think this could work. I'm thinking maybe if I wear a bodysuit underneath it, which will help me for the top, I need a bit of security here, but then equally then I'll have a bit of security at the bottom. I just really like the look of it, and I think I like it. But if not, it's new with tags, so I can sell it on. I know someone else might love it. I think maybe if I was a size down, even though this is a 12, I'm finding a pretty little thing. I saw it first, all them brands. I need to upsize quite a bit in them, or I'm just not the size I think I am. But I think this is quite cute, and I really just love the vibe of it. So this is a maybe. The next thing I got is again new with tags, and this does fit, thank the Lord, and I really like this. So this was from Mind, and in Mind, all tops were 50% off, apart from new in, which this was new with tags. So because this was new with tags, I didn't get it half price. But because it's no tags, you know no one's ever not worn it before. So I got this from Mind. It was new with tags for £5. It's in a size 14, and originally this is £16.99 from Quiz. And it's this gorgeous little bodysuit. It's black with sort of yellow roses on. I don't put the labels inside so you can see. It's got a little tie detail at the front. And it's sort of that gorgeous sort of milkmaid style. And it goes down into a bodysuit. Again, this is jeans. I think you can style this up in so many ways. Also, a black skirt would look nice with that. They can style up so many nice ways. With nice denim shorts. Like, oh, I love that. And for a £5, you literally can't go wrong. Then this is the bodysuit. I've just styled it with some leather shorts, and I just think this is gorgeous. Only issue is I'm wearing a bra, which is quite a big bra, and you can definitely see it. So I probably need a plunge bra with this, or go no bra. But I actually think this is super cute, super fun and girly. I love the colour. I just want to wear things that make me smile, and this definitely does just make me smile. I think it's super cute. I think it's actually really cute style with these shorts, and to be fair, Is it weird that I kind of like it when the bra pokes out a little bit, gives me a bit of lace? I quite like that look, so I actually really like this. I would think the bodysuit, I think I've got a very long torso because the bodysuit isn't super long, which means it's kind of pulling it down. But I think I probably could just wear this undone. And let me try that and I'm back. There you go, so undone, it completely gets rid of the problem about it being too, because it was pulling it down. But if you ever have that problem with bodysuits, just unpop it. You don't need to have it popped up. It means it's easier to go to the toilet, and also it means it'll fit better. So I do that quite a lot. I'll just unpop the bodysuits and then I can just pull it up as much as I want then. Also, if you're feeling a bit worried about it being too low, then you can just unpop it. And I really love this. Actually, I think this is probably my favourite thing I got. And I'm happy I got it because I'm in RM, because in this shop, all women's wear, all women's tops are 50% off, and because this was new, it wasn't included, and it was like however much I said it was, and I was just like, oh, I don't know, actually I love this, and I think styled like this, I love it. I just can't wait for an occasion to wear it, so I really, really love this one. So, for those of you who don't know, I actually have a little beauty studio, which I say in like every video, but it meant I always need plain black tops, because I just wear plain black tops with leggings, and I wanted some higher neck tops, because a lot of mine I just wear like vest tops from Primark, and they're a bit low, whereas this one's a bit higher up, so if I've got a new client or whatever, like, and I want to be a bit more covered up, this is perfect. It's flowy, it's going to be cool, and this was from the brand L'Oreal London, not heard of that one before. It was £2 from Cancer Research. It's not the most well-made top, it's quite flimsy, but for £2 for a flowy top that will definitely get me some wear, then I love that. So this is the black top. I think it's super handy, practical, good for work. I compare it with some black leggings, and I think this actually looks super nice and kind of a tiniest bit more professional than just a vest top, so I really like this one. Super good for £2. I also, sorry if you can hear noise downstairs, I also picked up this top, again £2 from Cancer Research. This is in a size 12. It's originally from Topshop, and it's this gorgeous long sleeve black top with this lovely frill going down round the shoulders and then down the front. And I thought, again, this would be a nice one every day for work. And I thought this, some leggings, some jeans, whatever, this would look really cute. So that was £2. And I thought £2 for a work top, like even if I did get them in Primark, they probably would have been more than that. And then this one, another great basic, every day for work, just a nice, well, it's not plain because it's got the frill that adds to it a bit. I've still got all black, which is what I like to wear. I just think this is super cute, super comfy, great for actually the colder days where maybe I'm starting work a bit early or working into the late at night where it's actually getting a bit chilly. I really like this. I like the detail and think this is super fun. It flatters me. It's also the softest material. I think that is a good thing. With shopping in a charity shop, I know Topshop's not necessarily super expensive like normally, but I've got Oliver Bonus, Zara, Next, M&S, like the brands that are slightly more expensive to buy new, you can get for Primark prices in the charity shops, if not cheaper. I mean, £2 for a top. I know in Topshop this probably wasn't more than sort of £15, but you can feel the softness, the quality in it. So definitely check out your charity shops if you've not already, or even if you're a bit anxious at the moment, maybe wait until the changing rooms open so you can try things on. I literally can't wait to charity shop when I can try clothes on, because I've only started really getting back into the charity shops during lockdown and you haven't been able to try on, so I can't wait to go try on. Definitely will save me a lot of money buying stuff I don't necessarily need, so it doesn't really fit when I try it on, but to be fair, I'm happy to just sell things on when they don't fit, so super happy with this one. And on the note of Primark, I only got 2 things, so I might as well pop that in here too. As I've been saying in my last couple of videos, I've been trying not to shop in Primark for day-to-day clothes. I know I can get second hand, but things like lingerie, underwear, like, you know, stuff you don't want to buy second hand. But, so I'm going to treat myself to some lingerie. This is a body by the collection range, and I got it in a medium, which is size 12 to 14, and it's this gorgeous little play suit sort of thing. It's got some lovely spotty mesh details there, and it's got sort of just like this T-bar back, and I think this will be really cute. Obviously there'll be no try on clip for this, but I think this is so fun, and it was £12, which isn't expensive, but at the same time, you know, I like to buy the stuff in the sale. I'm just super cheap and hate paying for things. So anyway, this is £12 and I think this is really cute. And for those of you who don't know, during lockdown I kind of put on a bit of weight, and a lot of my old lingerie that I had the biggest lingerie collection ever, and I've literally got like 4 pieces that I just rotate round. So it would be nice to have another one to add in there. And then I also actually got 3 things in Primark. I picked up some, they didn't have the hairbands. Now, does everyone know the hairbands are like, they're a pack and they got thick ones and thin ones. They only had thin and I wanted black, but I was with my friend Emily, which she told me to give her a shout out in the video. Go follow her Instagram, I'll put it up here. She's gonna hate me for that. Anyway, she said she's got really, really curly hair, and she said that these sort of coily ones are actually quite good. I've never personally tried them. I'll let you know what I think in a future video. But I'm going to try these coily headbands. You get quite a few and they're only £1. So if they don't work, then that's fine. If they do work, that's good that I got them. And then I got this eyebrow pencil, which was £3. I've never tried their eyebrow pencil before. It says a 3-in-1 brow. I kind of just picked it up really without looking at it. Looks like you get a powder, pencil and a gel. I mean, I only really needed a pencil. But let's try and open it up and see. I'm going to open it up and then I've opened it and I think I've worked it out. So this is actually really cool. I will try this and see how it goes. But if the product's good, this is an amazing idea. When I first looked at it, I was like, oh, this looks a bit rubbish. But right, so what you get is you get a coloured brow gel, like with a little spoolie, which is great. I love that. I normally just use clear, but I don't mind if it's coloured. You also get, this is probably the only thing I probably wouldn't use. It's sort of like an eyeshadow nib, and this is brow powder. Now, as you can see, I've got quite thick brows, so I don't necessarily need a powder to colour them in. All I normally do when I do my eyebrows is literally just draw a line at the front to kind of make them more square off at the front. I've not actually done them today. And then you also get, which is the actual only thing I wanted, but nice to have all this extra. Am I opening it the wrong way? Oh my gosh, I just opened it. How can I not do it? Oh, you just pull it. There's no twist. Then you also get this sort of brow pencil side of it, which this is more the thing I was looking for. But I got this in shade dark brown. Actually no, just brown. Just brown. They had a dark brown and I debated that, but I just got brown, and this was £3, which I was a bit like, oh, that's actually a bit pricey. But the fact that you get 3 things in here, this is super handy, especially if you're someone that has to have their eyebrows done before they walk out the house. This is a great thing to have in your bag, because if you kind of need to top up your eyebrows in the day, you've got everything you need there. That's a really good idea. I'm really actually happy with that. I was a bit like, oh, £3, maybe a bit spenny. I think I'm just so cheap now. But that is everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed the haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I promise the Recreating Influencer outfit is coming. I've got one more item today that I got, so now I just need to style up the outfits and get to the footage of me in them. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment on what your favourite item was, and subscribe if you like thrifting and DIYs and fashion and business and beauty and all that jazz. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!